Drag boat racing is an exciting sport for fans, spectators, and crewmen alike. These boats can range in power anywhere from about 400 horsepower clear up to about 7,000 horsepower. Running on anything from normal race fuel to what we like to call nitromethane.
One of the numbers in just a second. By going up, I mean they'll be showing on the other side of the screen. Watch for the capsule list to come down. Here they go. Just one more. Nighttime game.
Top alcohol flat bottom is probably the toughest class to drive because of the way they're designed and the way they drive, using a cavitation plate in the back to help control the boat.
Remember, these guys are on a 1,000-foot racetrack, a 630 in the near lane, 102.3 the mile per hour. Well, number 079 goes quick around. Bad Company, Kinsey, number 5 spot with a 5. Habit now moves into the number 1.
They can get hairy sometimes and nearly crash, but they don't always. Top alcohol hydro is the second fastest class in the world of drag boat racing. They can range anywhere from 200 to 205 miles an hour on a good run.
Lay on the both ends of the record inside. He's at the far 521 pure nasty. Second record. Kevin Kinsey, number 5 spot with a 467.
Top fuel hydros are the kings of the sport. They can run on nitromethane, which is the top fuel, and run speeds anywhere from 220 to about 260 miles an hour to 1,000 feet.
miles into horsepower.